Hey, what's up YouTube? An update on my rx8 $550 auction rx8. I'm getting ready to hold the parts. The housings are powder coating. It's wait to see the what color I'm going to. Stationary gears, and some side seals, springs. Those are the parts I'm gonna reuse. They're between Mazda specs. I already have like 2 or 3 sets of Apex seals I can reuse. What I'm doing right now on the irons, I'm polishing the intake ports, try to make it smooth so it can have better airflow, gas flow. Take all the little pores out so it can be nice and smooth. All I'm using is this thing with an extension. This is a little sandpaper grid purchased from Summit Racing. Sorry. It's a little kit they sell. So this is what I use. Those are the grids. It comes with the little holders, which are these ones here. It comes with 1 or 2 of these. It comes with little rolls. And I had the little extension. It's not an extension, it's an aluminum bit, a burr. So I use it as an extension. I put them in there, and all I do, try to get it smooth. I put them in there and sand it down. That's all you need. So if you guys can see, if I have taken on the angle, you see it's already looking smooth. If it was like this right here, that's how it was on the inside of the cast. But now, as you can see, it's looking more smooth, nice and easy. And this one I took a little chunk off so I can get it out nice and flush. So now I have to pass the sandpaper in there, sand it down, and it'll be good to go. But now, for right now, I'm going to focus on the intake ports. See how it's looking. Once I take all the debris, so I can get it nice and smooth, I'm going to go ahead and polish it. I'll let you guys see the final results. Thank you for following the build. Check out my other videos measuring the Apex seals, if you can reuse it or not. But yeah, this is going to be the $550 auction project / recycle. Because I'm recycling most of the parts. Yeah, thank you for watching. Stay tuned.